Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. This is a place for rideshare drivers to learn how to make more money. And so today we're talking about an app that can now allow rideshare drivers to get 25 cents off per gallon of gas. This also works for food delivery drivers as well, or just, you know, if you buy gas. And you live in one of these 41 states that this app is in now, or one of the 12,000 locations. So yeah, so I guess let's just hop right into it. I don't want to, you know, make this video too long. I'm gonna leave a link down below to sign up for the app. If you use my code and link, you will also qualify for an additional 15 cents off per gallon. So that means the first time you fill up, you'll actually qualify for up to 40 cents off per gallon. And then in the future, it's up to 25 cents. But I've also seen 26 cents, so I don't know. I don't know what, like, how accurate that is. Accurate.
My sound is accurate.
How accurate that is, but yeah, basically you get like up to 25 cents off per gallon, or sometimes more, I guess, depending on the location. So yeah, I'm just gonna sync up my phone here and I'm gonna go through the app and show you guys what it looks like. Again, use my special code and link to get a promo too. So here we go. The app is called GetUpside. I have it right here on my phone, on my homepage, because I use it so much. I'm gonna click on it in 3, 2, 1, click. This is the app here, GetUpside. I've been using it for about 8 or 9 months, and well, I can show you here in my gift cards tab. I have $17 right now. You can redeem this for Amazon, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, Target, Nike, Home Depot, or you can just do PayPal or mail a check. Sometimes I play around with one of these gift cards. I used to do Amazon a lot, but now I just do PayPal, so I get the money directly into my bank account. But yeah, you can do whatever. And this isn't my current location. I'm just at a random Starbucks and I wanted to film this really quick. But yeah, 495 bucks so far. And then I have also received like other money too from actual filling up. But maybe I can show you guys. Will it show up? Yeah, so I've earned $2,000 so far in the app. But I did want to show you guys. So the way it works is there should be a list of gas stations near me. I usually go down south a little bit, but yeah, here we go, Anaheim. So this is 1.4 miles away. And you go there and you see that it's $3 per gallon, right? But when you use a discount, it will be more like $2.75 per gallon or $2.60 per gallon if you use my code and link. And you can see some of them like up here. That one's a little bit cheaper. For me, the only reason it says $25, I get that back. So that's just based on people you refer. So if you refer a couple people, you'll get an additional 15 cents off. I've just referred enough people where it just kind of adds up. So when I fill up gas, I actually make money. And you guys can do that as well. And the cool thing about it is, which a lot of people don't really understand, so I don't know why it's so difficult to understand, but for whatever reason, the app allows you to do allows you to fill up to 50 gallons of gas. So I just go there. I mean, obviously my car only holds like 20 or 15 gallons, but I just go, I buy 50 gallons of gas, and then I fill up other random people's gas tanks, and then I you know, that way, because I'm profiting more than the gas costs, so I'll spend 140 bucks on the gas, but then I'll get $25, whatever, times 50. You're looking at 1,250 bucks. The way it works though, when you show up there, if you just, you know, use my code and link, you'll probably get like 4 or 5 bucks back. Yeah, let's say you're getting 40 cents times what, 15 gallons. Yeah, you're getting 6 bucks back. Cool. So the way it works is once you go to a location, you click claim right here on the bottom right. Click claim, then you have like, I don't know, what you want to drive to the gas station first, then click claim, and then it's going to prompt you to upload a picture of your receipt. I don't want to run through it because yeah, I'm not going to do it right now. Probably going to do it later. maybe tomorrow or something. But yeah, that's the way it works. And then you upload a picture of your gas receipt. It says it takes 2 to 3 days for the money to come in, and then it comes in, and then you get the money into your PayPal account or onto your you know, gift cards, whatever you choose to use. So again, use my link and code down below. I just wanted to make this quick update video because I know a lot of people can really benefit from this, because gas is expensive, and gas is like literally our only expense as drivers, besides wear and tear and depreciation. But like out of pocket, you're spending money on gas every day. So if we can help eliminate that. And if you want to be really smart and kind of spammy or whatever, you can ask your friends to use the app too. I mean, everyone uses gas, so it's not really difficult to get people to sign up. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. Thanks for watching. And yeah, use my code and links to sign up and get started, and you can start saving money on gas. All right, thanks guys. Have a great day. Bye.